Hello everyone, this is Rubel from BFix. So today we have another Apple Watch, Apple Watch 6 from eBay. So it got delivered today. Yesterday we try out one Apple Watch, and it was unexpectedly very fresh. So hopefully this will be fresh. But the previous Apple Watch was not charging fast, it was charging slowly, and then also the charge only stays for 1 day. Okay, so there are issues with the charge, and then charge uh, how much charge it can how much longer it can survive with that charge. Hopefully, I don't know, like eBay is kind of like an, is kind of like an uh, mine ground. I would say you can get good one, you can get dangerous one, bad one. So well, let's try it out and see what's inside. Will be a must to see what it is. But as usual, in Dubai, Emirate Post charged me like 30 dirham, around $10 for delivery only, which is very expensive. Okay, I don't know why they charge this much money. And then again I had to pay taxes of like 18 dirham. So it was like not 18 dirham, I guess 22 dirham. So it was like around 52 dirham that I paid for this delivery from eBay to Dubai. Okay, which is quite expensive. Anyway, let's see what's inside. So this is a nice looking box, but you can see, okay, so they gave me a charger, plug, and then the new like uh, the strap, and then this one, I think the my watch. Okay, let's see. Okay, well, huh, so like last Apple Watch, there is no uh, kind of instruction, but overall this kind of looks that there are few, seems like, scratches here and there. There's little scratches here, you can see. Yes, there is a scratch in here. Other than that, I guess it's okay. Anyway, my wife's watch was nice. My one has scratches, it's not a big deal. I can wear that one. But yes, overall my one is like an what do you call this, sky, whatever it is, it's like a darker black kind of color, and my wife's one was like golden color. Which one is a little bit nicer? I already am feeling jealous, but okay, my one is okay, but there are a few more scratches, that's it. All right, I don't mind. So probably that's it, guys. That's what I got from them. One, this strap, charging cable, and then this watch itself. I will I will try to put an in details review later on how to onboard this, how to use this. But for now, that's it. Take care. Bye bye, and make sure to like and subscribe.